Stop choosing a code editor the old way in 2026 because coding has changed. Today, developers are not just writing code line by line anymore. AI powered tools now help you generate functions, debug errors, explain complex code, and even refactor entire projects in seconds. Modern editors are becoming smarter, understanding your project context, and suggesting real solutions instead of just autocomplete. Whether you're working on web apps, mobile development, or backend systems, the way you interact with your editor is shifting toward AI assistance built directly into your workflow. You can now focus more on logic and architecture while the tool handles repetitive coding tasks and suggestions in real time. So before you pick your next setup, think about how much AI support you actually want in your daily coding experience. Whether you prefer a lightweight setup or a fully AI-driven workflow, the key is choosing what helps you stay productive and focused. And if you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more fast tech breakdowns just like this one.